weeks behind. And she was left. Anyway, so he dies. This fella, the old fella, he passes away in his bed on the night, and the night, and his boys are making coffee and everything, and we try to wake him up. Anyway, he left a will. If he dies away from the farm, they have to some stipulation about about the ownership of the farm. They have to sell it. Oh, that's right.
The estate.
If he dies away from the farm, and the whole estate goes to the rugby club.
What?
The rugby, yeah. But if he dies on his whenua, you know, he gets buried there, eh? And they get to own it. Yeah. So that was in his will, and they read the will. They found the will. And because he usually carries it on him, so they looked for the will, and when they knew he was dead, and that's what it said, eh? So their job was to try and get him home before anybody knew, and so he could get buried there. So they'll hold on to their farm, eh?
Wow.
But you know, at the end of the credits, I was reading the credits, and they had.
That's a true story.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it is, but it's realistic as, eh? It must be a true story, like based on it, you know, and like it had no Māori in it. There's no Māori content in it.
Yeah.
But what I laughed about was when I read through the credits, they had Lee Tamahori.
Yeah, Lee.
And you know what he was? He was a boom operator.
Hey.
Yeah, boom operator. Like
from
that.
those days.
Yeah, from those days. Yeah. You know, he was just like, he used to play with the lights, you know, set up the lights. And,
humble beginnings.
Yeah, really. And you know where he ended up, eh?
Yeah, once the Warriors.
He was a director.
Yeah.
He become.
He was my old girlfriend's.
Wow.
Yeah, and I loved it. Look at this guy.
Well, I didn't even saw him.
I don't know about that.
I used to play tennis with him.
I don't know. I don't really know what he got from
Tennis. No way can I play tennis.
Yeah, he lived on top of my girlfriend's place.
Does that mean he was
in Ponsonby.
What's it called?
Whereabouts in Ponsonby?
On Joyvoice Road, those two tall buildings.
Oh, right.
Oh,
Yeah.
the
Yeah, my girlfriend used.
built those, eh?
I don't know who built them.
Yeah. I know the fellow, but I can't remember his name. He's a real smart bugger, cheeky.
It's one of the whānau didn't contest the will, you know, going to a lawyer.
Oh, can I cut these fire?
Eh?
Can I Hapine these?
Yeah.
Oh, shot. Oh, good.
I don't know if I'm doing it right.
Yeah, you are.
Doing it right.
Oh, the supervisor's here.
Yeah.
So what we usually do is like even it works for the other things as well. So you get I usually hold it like this.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Or you
Hold
can
it like that. Yeah.
or this like that, and you cut that when that thing comes to there, because that's the hard part. So you cut across there, and that's the soft part. And just fold it back like that. And just cut it across there.
Looking forward to dyeing them actually.
And just
Cut across the
So these are all the dyes, eh?
yes.
Well, we got a brown,
Got all sorts of colours.
got oranges. Perhaps there's a yellow. Oh yes, yellow. Red, yes, red. Purple. I'll throw the rubbish here, bro. I'll use them.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is a black.
Yeah, it's black.
What else is there? Brown. Oh, violet. Ooh, pretty. That's like a purple, eh? Violet.
Yeah.
Oh, that's red. Can't wait to dye them, actually. Dye, dye, dye. Good day to die. I don't mean it that way.
Oh, this is the way we did when we did the fall. So we take off the back and then we cut across here. And then you got this part. So you can use that part as well.
Yeah.